What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 900. Guys, this paint scheme is awesome. It's like a gray with a green pinstripe white, classic looking, but so modern and mean. I just absolutely love this bike. This is the walk around, so I'm gonna show you exactly what's wrong with this bike. Starting here on the rear fender, there's a couple little scuffs. There's a little scuff right there. It's not a huge deal because your license plate actually is going to cover that. Not a big deal. Saddlebags are from Saddleman. They are not stock with the bike. But they actually look pretty good. They got some little scuffs on them and stuff like that. Not a huge freaking deal. It's got Vance and Hines on it. I don't know what those are called. The short shots maybe. Cobra intake. Now this thing has to be tuned because it runs perfect. It's not spinning, sputtering, all kinds of stuff. You do have a hookup for a battery tender there. This tank just looks so good. I really feel like Kawasaki just knocked these out of the park. Front fender is in great shape, if you can see that. The white walls, I mean, it just really ties in like a classic look, but with just such aggressive styling. I love it. I absolutely love it. This all looks pretty good. So just some dirt on the seat. It's a little wet out here. This side of the settlement bag's in pretty good shape as well. Like I said, inside. Top of the tank is in good shape, guys. This bike only has a few thousand miles on it. Really not a whole lot that can go wrong. Ooh, we do have, oh no. We have a tiny scuff right there, if you can see that. A black mark. Probably get buffed out. It is matte, so I don't know how much buffing you can do. It's only got 3,839 miles on it. Here we go. Let's fire this beast up. Guys, this bike is in awesome shape. Like I said, it's a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic. It's just in such good shape for the year, guys. I really want to find some glaring flaw on it, but it's so good looking. Oh man, where is the flaw? Well, like I said, guys, 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic. Whoever gets this bike is going to absolutely love it. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.